Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to resell tickets on Ticketmaster. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Ticketmaster. So open up your Ticketmaster and then log into your account. So once I've logged into your account, yep. So what you're going to do now is simply go to your ticket that you no longer need it or you want to like sell it. So if you once you log in, so if you click on my account and if you click on my tickets or your upcoming events, then you will find your tickets there. So from there you can select the ticket that you no longer need, and then from once you select it, you can just hit sell. So click on the sell option, and then all you have to do is set the price and then fill out some information such as your payment methods, like how do you want it to receive your payment and everything, and then hit on list. And once you hit on list, then all happens. So what happened? Your ticket will be listed, and then once it's been listed, then if someone purchases or buys your ticket, then you will receive an email from Ticketmaster, and also together with your payment details on how do you on based on how you have selected earlier. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty an easy process. So hope this information is helpful to you all. I will see you in another video. Thank you.